With money flow, you can set savings goals and debt payoff goals. To create a new goal, click the New button or the New Page area to open the goal template and name your goal. What I like about using this gallery view for goals is the visual aspect that evokes an emotional response that motivates me to stay on track. So change this icon and set an image that will motivate you to meet your goal. To change the icon, just click on it and search or browse for something that works for you. Hover below the icon and use the Add Cover button to set an image. One will be added for you by default, but you can use the Change Cover button to choose a different one from the gallery, upload your own, link to any image online, or search Upsplash. All these images you see here are from Upsplash. For this first example, I'll set a savings goal. Then I'll repeat the process to create a debt payoff goal. Set a target amount for your goal. Then link the accounts you are using to save toward this goal. You can link more than one account by using the plus icon on the far right, which allows you to select additional pages. If more than one account is linked, the balance saved toward the goal will accumulate. By default, the start date will be set to today, but you can change that. Also, set your target date. This gallery view gives you a nice % complete progress indicator to keep you motivated. Once you complete the goal, set the completed date to move the goal from the In Progress tab to the Completed tab. You can use the table in the last tab to see all your goals, both in progress and completed. Next, I'll demonstrate a debt payoff goal. With the debt payoff goal, you still need to link an account, but you can accept the target amount of 0, meaning you owe $0. For the progress indicator to work properly, you also need to set a starting balance. Remember to indicate that this is a debt, so an account with a negative balance, by using the minus sign, and also click the checkbox to indicate that this is a debt payoff goal. This red down arrow is a visual reminder that the amount you set should be negative. For this type of goal, you can also link multiple accounts to get an overall debt payoff goal instead of keeping each account separate. Just don't forget to take the sum of all your starting balances. This consolidated approach may be preferred if you have several debts because you only see one debt goal. However, the benefit of keeping them separate might be that you see progress as they get paid off and change status to completed, giving yourself a sense of accomplishment. So set your goals in such a way that has the greatest benefit to you. One last point with respect to goals is that setting the start date and target date for both types of goals is not strictly required since they are not part of any formulas. But goals are generally considered to be more effective when you do set a deadline. Also, when you do complete a goal, it's nice to have a record of your success.